Implant Dentistry, from consultation to final restoration. Implant dentistry has transformed dentistry in offering a lasting and long-lasting treatment for tooth loss. From initial consultation through final restoration, the process of implant dentistry can transform the lives of numerous patients. In this short video, we'll go over the different phases involved in dental implants, starting from the initial consultation through the final installation of the dental restoration. Consultation, the initial stage of the implant dentistry procedure, is the first appointment with a dentist who is qualified or an oral surgeon. In this appointment, the dentist will assess the oral health of the patient as well as take x-rays and talk about the patient's goals and goals. It is also a time for patients to inquire about any queries they might have regarding the procedure, such as costs and the recovery process. Treatment planning. After the consultation is completed, the dentist will then work with the patient on an individual treatment strategy. The plan will outline the amount of implants required and the kind of implant to be put onto the implants, as well as the time frame for the treatment. Dentists will also talk about the potential risks and issues that could occur during the procedure. Surgery placement. The following stage in the implant dentistry procedure is surgical placement of the implants. The procedure typically takes place with local anesthesia and requires the dentist to make an incision into the gums of the patient so that the jawbone is exposed. Implants are placed in the jawbone and left to meld with bone over a period of many months. After the implants have been healed and bonded to bones, the final reconstruction is able to be put in. Reconstruction placement. Last stage of the implant dentistry procedure is placing the implants restoration. It could include dental crowns, bridges, or dentures, based on the needs of the patient. The custom-designed restorations be a perfect match to the form and shade of the natural teeth to create a smooth and natural-looking smile. Dentists will perform any adjustments necessary to ensure a comfy and efficient fitting. Aftercare. Once the final restoration is installed, patients must adhere to an exact aftercare regimen to prolong the life of the dental implants. It could include frequent checkups with a dentist, adherence to dental hygiene, and avoid certain food items which could cause damage to the implants. If properly cared for, dental implants will be used for a long time and offer an all-time solution to missing teeth. Implant dental implants are a secure and durable solution for those who have missing teeth. From initial consultations to the final dental restoration procedure, getting dental implants could be an unforgettable event for a lot of people. If you follow the guidelines in this video and cooperating with a dentist who is qualified to achieve an attractive and practical teeth that endure for a long time. If you're considering getting implants for your teeth, make certain to book a consult with a dentist who will discuss the options available and decide whether implants are the best option for you.